Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're making a margarita. Now, the margarita first dates back to 1938 in Tijuana, Mexico, where a bar owner had created a very special cocktail trying to impress this beautiful showgirl when he walked in his door. That drink is now known as a margarita. Let's make the drink. Now, the first step is to rim the glass with salt. Take a lime wedge and rub the rim all around with the lime. So make the salt stick. Now rub the outside of the glass with salt. It's a lot easier to do it now opposed to after when the drink is already full. Now put it to the side. Take your shaker tin and build the cocktail. Now let's go tequila. We're doing 2 ounces. Dulce Vida. This is 100% agave tequila. We're gonna put 2 ounces. Just like that. Next step, an orange liqueur. Now today we're using Cointreau. Cointreau is a great top shelf orange liqueur from France. It's much better than the Well triple sec. Half an ounce there into the tin. Next step, fresh lime juice. Half ounce. Always better fresh, like I said before. There you have it, 3 ingredients, pretty simple. Now add ice. Now we're going to take a shaker pint and we're going to shake the cocktail. Now we're going to add ice to your salted glass. Then take your Hawthorne strainer and we're going to strain over ice. Now garnish, lime wheel. Folks, there you have it, a margarita. Let's give it a shot. Salud. Very clean, very crisp, very refreshing, very acidic. Well, give it a shot for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like us, subscribe to our channel, follow us at the Blue Collar Bartender, tell your friends. Goodbye.